Oh, no. My phone just died. Excuse me. Sorry to bother you.
That's okay. What's wrong?
My phone battery is dead. I can't make a call.
Oh, I see.
I don't usually ask, but could you help me?
Sure. What kind of help do you need?
I need to call my family. They are waiting for me.
You can't use your phone at all?
No, it turned off suddenly. I forgot my charger at home.
That happens to everyone.
Is it okay if I make a quick call?
A quick call?
Yes, just 1 minute. I will be very quick.
That's fine. Please use my phone.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Hello, Sam? My phone died. I'm near the bus station. Can you come pick me up?
Take your time.
Okay, thank you. I'll wait here. Thank you again. That really helped me.
Do you need to charge your phone?
Yes, if possible.
There's a cafe across the street. They have outlets.
Oh, that's great.
You can also buy a coffee and charge it there.
That's a good idea. Sorry, one more question.
No problem.
How do I get to the cafe?
Go straight, then turn left. You'll see it on the corner.
Thank you for helping me today.
You're welcome. Good luck.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Excuse me, can I sit here?
Yes, that's fine.
Thank you. My phone battery died earlier.
No problem. You can use the outlet near the wall.
Great. Thank you so much. I always forget my charger.
A lot of people do.
I was listening to music on the bus.
Music uses a lot of battery.
Yes, I didn't notice the battery was low. Is it okay if I sit here for a few minutes?
Of course, take your time.
I just need my phone to turn on.
That's fine.
Oh, it's charging now.
That's good.
I feel much better now.
I'm glad.
I was really worried at the bus stop.
Why?
My family was waiting for me.
That can be stressful.
Yes, I didn't know what to do at first. I didn't want to bother anyone.
It's okay to ask for help.
I'm glad I asked.
Most people understand.
My phone is on now.
Great.
The battery is very low, but it works.
That's enough for now.
I'll send a message too.
That's a good idea.
I'm at the cafe near the bus station. My phone died, but I'm charging it now. I should buy a charger.
Yes, or a power bank.
I will do that today. Thank you for being so kind.
You're welcome.
This helped me a lot.
I'm happy to hear that.
I think my family is almost here.
That's good timing.
Yes, everything worked out. Today taught me something.
What did you learn?
Simple English is enough, and it's okay to ask for help.
That's true.
Thank you again.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Goodbye.